The long-awaited Garmin Fenix 7 series was unveiled in January 2022, and yet the rumor mill is already abuzz with speculation about its successor. Typically, Garmin waits at least 2 to 3 years before introducing a new generation of the Fenix. Thus, the Fenix 8 Pro is likely still a ways off. However, tech enthusiasts and Garmin devotees are already dreaming up their wish lists for the next-gen wearable. Release date and pricing. Based on Garmin's product cycle history, we project the Fenix 8 Pro to hit the market sometime in early 2025. However, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility that the company could accelerate the timeline and surprise us with a 2024 release instead. As for price, the Fenix 8 Pro will undoubtedly carry a premium price tag, just like its predecessors. We expect the base model to start around $750. The Fenix line has always occupied the upper echelon of the sports watch market, and the Fenix 8 Pro will likely be no exception. Garmin has demonstrated a willingness to pack its flagship wearables with the latest features and technologies, and they've consistently been able to command a premium for their industry-leading performance and capabilities. Size and design options. One area where Garmin has made great strides in recent years is in providing users with more size and design options. The Fenix 7 series was available in 3 distinct case sizes at launch, allowing athletes of all shapes and sizes to find a model that fits their wrists comfortably. We fully expect Garmin to continue this trend with the Fenix 8 Pro, potentially even introducing an ultra-compact 40mm variant to cater to users with smaller wrists. While the Fenix has traditionally been on the larger and chunkier side, the rapid advancement of technology may enable Garmin to pack all the same powerful features into a slimmer, more refined package. That said, the core Fenix design language is unlikely to undergo any radical overhauls. Garmin has honed the circular case silhouette and button-centric user interface over multiple generations, and it has become a signature aesthetic that Fenix loyalists have come to expect and appreciate. Display technology. One area where Garmin could make a significant leap forward with the Fenix 8 Pro is display technology. The current Fenix 7 series utilizes the brand's tried-and-true transflective memory in pixel (MIP) technology, which prioritizes outdoor visibility and battery life over pure visual fidelity. However, Garmin has already demonstrated its willingness to experiment with more premium display options in other product lines. The ePix 2, for example, sports a vibrant AMOLED panel that delivers deeper blacks, more vivid colors, and an overall more immersive viewing experience. Incorporating a similar AMOLED display in the Fenix 8 Pro would be a significant upgrade, even if it meant a slight hit to battery life. The increased contrast ratio and punchy color reproduction would elevate the overall aesthetic and user experience, making the watch feel more premium and luxurious. Of course, Garmin will need to carefully balance display quality with power efficiency, as Fenix's stellar battery performance is one of its key selling points. But given the rapid advancements in display technology, we're hopeful the Fenix 8 Pro can split the difference and deliver the best of both worlds. Health and fitness tracking. The Fenix series has long been renowned for its industry-leading sports and fitness tracking capabilities, and the Fenix 8 Pro is poised to raise the bar even higher. The Fenix 7 already packs an impressive array of sensors and metrics, from advanced running dynamics to body battery and sleep score. But Garmin is always working to push the boundaries of what's possible with wearable health technology. One area we'd love to see the Fenix 8 Pro make significant strides in is continuous health monitoring. Integrating sensors that can track blood pressure, glucose levels, and hydration from the wrist would be a game changer for endurance athletes and health-conscious individuals alike. Improved recovery tracking would also be a welcome addition, helping users better understand their body's response to training and activity. While the Fenix 8 Pro may still be a couple of years away, the rumor mill is already churning with speculation about what the next-gen model might have in store. From advanced display technologies and enhanced health tracking to improved smart features and even longer battery life, the wish list for this upcoming wearable is extensive. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.